Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. This is essential because registry edits are risky. Next, use an administrator account. Standard accounts can't write required keys. Once ready, press Windows plus R, type regedit and hit Enter to open Registry Editor. If prompted by User Account Control, confirm. Now navigate directly using the address bar or expand folders to reach the path we'll use next, ensuring you don't skip the backup step. Once in the Policies branch, look for Explorer. If it's not there, create it because that container holds UI policies. Right-click Explorer to add a new DWORD 32-bit, value named NoWinKeys, and set its value to 1. This disables Windows key shortcuts and the Start button's keyboard access in many cases. Make sure the value type is DWORD 32-bit and not QWORD. After entering 1, close Registry Editor and prepare to apply the change by logging out or restarting Explorer. To apply the change immediately, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. Alternatively, sign out and sign back in or reboot. Once done, test the Start button and Windows key behavior. If nothing changed, reopen Registry Editor and confirm NoWinKeys is under HKey Current User Policies \Explorer and set to 1. Correct any typos. If the system behaves incorrectly, use the restore point you created to revert. That restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.